Let's look at the controls under Settings. Select General in the drop-down menu. Here in the Information pane, you can customize your MackinVIA name and school name, change your MackinVIA username and password, create a login hint for backpack users that will appear after a failed login attempt, view statistics for your resources, and copy the HTML code for a MackinVIA widget if you want to put one on your school's website. Make sure to save any changes you make. Open the Display Options pane to customize the look of your MackinVIA account for your specific school or library community. Here is where you select the default page your users will see when they log into MackinVIA. For younger students, it might be helpful to have them open to Categories or All Resources, whereas older students could benefit from opening to the Home page with carousels that highlight resources. If you select Home as your start page, be sure that your home page is active. Next, check that the Ratings and Reviews features are activated if you would like your students to have the option to rate their resources from 1 to 5 stars and write reviews. Or if you don't want these features available, you can set them to inactive. You can also decide if you want the Assignments option available for your school. You can choose custom theme colors for your MackinVIA and enter your custom library or program name if you'd like it displayed at the top of each page. Display Options is also where you set the defaults for how you want your resources displayed. The other options will also be available to your students. These are just the defaults they will start out with. How many resources are displayed at a time, whether your users see their resources in List View or Tile View, how your resources are sorted, if groups are displayed in List View or in Tile View, and whether you want to use English, Spanish, or French as the default language. Again, be sure to save any changes you make. Every MackinVIA is equipped with a standard set of advanced search filters. Additionally, there are level, reading program, and feature filters you can turn on and off to fit your custom needs. You will find these additional filters in the Search Options pane. Here are the level filters, interest level, grade level, Lexile, and Fontes and Pinel. These are followed by the reading program search filters, accelerated reader, reading counts, and guided reading. At the bottom, you will see an option for other filters. These are the feature filters your students will find if they click on More under Advanced Search. Fiction, nonfiction, interactive, multi or single user, read-alongs, and others. If you enable the Deep Discovery search, users can search through all the content of participating ebooks and databases owned by your school, as well as links to popular websites. This saves time from having to search through all the resources individually. If you have Britannica School Edition in your MackinVIA, this is where you set the learning level. Be sure to save your changes. Next is the Resources Types pane. Here you will see the different types of resources in your MackinVIA, and you can customize their names if you'd like. For example, maybe you want your users to see websites instead of links. Display name is the text that is written into the platform. Singular label is the name that is displayed in the tooltip when you hover over a resource type icon with your mouse. You can also change the defaults for how your resources are sorted when they are displayed. If you make changes, be sure to save. In the Reader Options pane, you can choose the most age-appropriate dictionary for your students to use in their MackinVIA reader and activate or deactivate push notifications that will automatically send a message to your users when a requested resource becomes available or an assignment begins. Again, if you make changes, be sure to save. Here in the last pane, you can upload a school or library logo to personalize the platform for your users. The logo can be displayed on its own or next to the custom name you entered back in the Display Options pane.